So here are the top 5 reasons why you need to own a greenhouse. So you may already own a small greenhouse, or perhaps you're thinking of buying one this year. The most important thing to get the best out of a greenhouse is to understand the ways in which you can use one and what they have to offer. So let's dive in. You can get a jump start on the growing season by starting your seeds in a greenhouse. This is especially helpful for warm weather crops that need a head start before being planted outdoors. Many plants that you'll want to grow will need some warmth and shelter to get started, and a greenhouse is the perfect place to achieve this. A greenhouse can protect your plants from the cold, wind, rain and sun, and also pests which will consider your seedlings as prime food. Providing your plants with protection can help them to grow healthier and stronger. Lots of plants, especially when they are young, need to be kept out of the elements and away from pests. A greenhouse can give you some more growing space, particularly if you do not have the room for lots of dedicated beds. This is a great option for people who live in smaller spaces but still want to grow plants all season round. You can get very clever with a greenhouse, making it a multi-purpose space you can use all year round. For example, you can start your seedlings on shelves in the spring and then grow taller plants like tomatoes and cucumbers during the summer months. At the end of their season, you can then just continue the cycle, bringing plants on for next spring, or grow a variety of salads all through the winter. The possibilities are endless. A greenhouse allows you to control the environment inside, which can be helpful for growing a variety of plants. You can control the temperature, humidity, and even light levels. The plants you may choose to grow often require different conditions. Some plants like tomatoes and melons thrive on heat, and this is an environment you can easily create for them inside of a greenhouse, regardless of what's going on outside. If you're interested in starting a small business, a greenhouse can be a great way to do this. You can grow and sell plants, flowers, and even vegetables. You may wish to set up your greenhouse with lots of staging shelves, allowing you to grow many trays of plants. If you're lucky to have an electrical supply near your greenhouse, you can even add additional lighting and heating, and this will extend your growing season so you can produce all year round. So, as you can see, there are lots of reasons why you can benefit from a greenhouse, and if you have room for a small one, I definitely recommend it.